The movie starts with a racing car competition scene. Then suddenly, a car stops and we see that the racer says to his son to stay away from the bad people and things in the future. Then the racing started. He was driving at a very high speed, but then suddenly, his car was hit by another car, and then he met with an accident and died. Dom screamed and started crying. He wanted to come to see his father, but security guards stopped him somehow. Then the movie moved to the present, where we see Dom with his 4-year-old son and his wife who were living in a forest, and he was repairing a tractor. Then, they suddenly saw a car coming towards them. They got alert and pointed their guns towards them. But the man says, "I am not an enemy. Please look at me." A total of 3 people come out of the car, a man named Tej, his companion, and a girl. They tell Dom that an old man told them, Cypher, who is a supervillain. She is a dangerous lady. She was caught, but then purposely, the plane in which she was taken crashed. So people would think she is dead. At that time, the old man had a hold on her and had caught her, but even then she ran. The girl in this team forces Dom to come with them to the place where this plane crashed so that we can collect some evidence from there. Dom refuses and says, "I am retired now." At night, his wife says that our team has supported us in our difficult times, and now it is our turn to help them. She gets her bike ready and the scene cuts here. Then we see 4 of them heading towards a plane where Dom also comes and joins them. Then they reach there. They found a device, but they did not have any idea how to open it. Then suddenly, the military came and started firing on them. They ran, but the military followed. They entered a mine, and due to the air pressure, many cars got blown up. Tej's companion car was also blown away, but he was saved. Then we saw that the military was chasing Dom's wife, but then she met Dom. And then we saw Jacob Toretto came, and he ran away with that device. Dom and his wife started chasing him, but the military were trying to stop Dom. Then we see that a plane opens up its magnetic field, and the car got stuck to the plane, and Jacob ran away. On the other hand, the military was shooting Dom and his wife, and they were trying to save themselves. And then Dom crosses over the bridge with a huge stunt. Then in the next scene, we got to know that Jacob is Dom's brother, and when their father died, someone told them that it is because of Jacob. Dom got into a huge fight with his brother and hence went into jail. Then we see Jacob hand over that device to Cypher and tells that its second part is lost. Then Cypher told them that it is in London and you have to go there. Then we saw that Dom and his team were in a tunnel, and then the girls were telling them about the device. This device was so powerful that it can destroy a satellite in space, and it can also destroy electronic devices. She said that Jacob will definitely go in the search for the second part, and we have to go before him. Then the old man also told them about his companion's death, but nobody believes as he was very powerful. Then Dom's wife told them that I will find him out, because they all believe that he can't die and must have been kidnapped by Cypher. Then the scene shifted to the past, where Dom, after being released from the jail, asked his brother Jacob to compete with him in a car race. Then Dom won the race, and he asked his brother that I don't want anything except I don't want to see you anymore. And after this, the scene shifted to the present story. Dom's wife was searching for the old man's companion. In search of him, they went inside a home where they were attacked by some people. They pushed those girls, and the girls also fought back with them. The fight went on, but then suddenly, a man came and shot those people who were attacking those girls. And then we got to know that he was the old man's companion, to whom these girls were searching for. They got very happy after seeing him and hugged him. Then we see the scene from the London city. We got to know that Tej and his companion were searching for that second part. Dom was also searching for it, and then he informed his team that Jacob had taken away the second part, and he was running from that place by hanging with a wire of a building. Dom also started chasing him. He came from another side, and then both of them got hit by the window's mirror. They were inside the building, and then we saw that they both had started fighting with each other. Dom hit him so badly, but then Jacob stood up and ran from the window, and he went into his car. He drove speedily, but Dom was also behind him. He was seated in the front seat of the truck because his companion means the young girl was driving this truck. They were chasing the car, and Jacob was driving speedily. While driving, he goes to the other side of the building, but this young girl turns on the magnet of the truck, and due to it, the truck pulls Jacob's car towards it, and it sticks with the truck. A rich businessman gets this news that he was the man who went to Cypher with Jacob in jail. He also knows that Jacob is on his mission. The mission is to get the second part of the device. He comes in anger. Maybe Dom will snatch this from him. He orders his soldiers to search for Dom and his companions or kill them. On another side, we are shown those ladies who brought the companion of the old man back. The Japanese girl was also with them. She starts weeping and tells them her parents have made this device, and she can open it with the help of her DNA. Jacob was also imprisoned in the tunnel outside a wall, and he hears all their conversations. Meanwhile, the businessman and his companions come here with their weapons. They take Jacob and the Japanese girl from there because she can open the device. The young girl again turns magnetic fields on, and all the weapons attract towards it and stick with it. The soldier also falls to the ground, and there was a blast, and due to it, the walls of the tunnel were falling. In this, many soldiers were killed. Some of the soldiers have imprisoned Dom, and they throw him in the water. Seeing this, his wife starts screaming. After some time coming to his senses, Dom sees his wife in front of his eyes, because his wife saved him from drowning. On the other hand, the young girl tells them that Jacob will send a satellite in space to initiate or turn on the device. Dom says that no matter what, we will also go to space. On another side, Jacob and the businessman were together. They were about to launch the satellite in space. They have joined the device while joining both parts, and they move in two trucks. Jacob and the businessman were in a truck, and there was a Japanese girl in another truck. He starts controlling the device satellite, and Dom is also coming there. Tej and his companion move to space. They wear their costumes, and then they sit in a spaceship that looks like a car. But nitrous was also attached to it, and it suddenly turns on, and the fire comes out of them, and the spaceship speedily travels to space. This mission was initiated successfully. Dom and his companions turn on the magnetic of the cars, and due to it, the cars of the soldiers were attached to it. In the truck, the businessman asks Jacob, "Can you go on the roof? The antenna is moved and I can't connect." Jacob goes to the roof of the bus to adjust the antenna. "No, Cypher is with me, and when she is with me, I don't need you. That's why, bye-bye, Jacob." Now Jacob and the man fight. While pushing him, the man makes him fall down on the roof of the bus. With their shoulders, they were trying to push each other down. He pushes Jacob down from the truck, but before Jacob falls down the truck and endures, Dom comes there. While adjusting his car with the truck, he saves Jacob. Jacob goes inside the car, and like this, he is saved. Then Jacob brings one more car. Now both cars are around the truck. The truck was tilting forward. They were moving the cars like the truck was also moving forward, and the truck flips. Dom and the young girl go upside down in the truck. They throw grenades in it, and due to it, all the people present in the truck were killed. On the other hand, the girl has also taken the device from it. In the space, we see Tej and his companion were worried because their spaceship was showing the error. They think it is damaged and it is not easy to destroy the satellite, so we will hit the satellite with it, then it will be destroyed. Our mission will be successfully completed. They do the same and they destroy all the satellites. They come in between the satellites. Here, the scene changes and we wouldn't know if they escaped or not. Meanwhile, in the other scene, there we see the truck of the businessman that was falling down. After being destroyed, it was still going down the hill continuously. But then, Cypher comes in her plane. She throws missiles at Dom because she couldn't bear that he attacked the truck and her companion. She was in so much anger and wanted to kill Dom at any cost. But Dom, while using all his powers and skills, moves the truck to the plane. With it, the plane also crashed, and this truck was also completely destroyed. In the end, Jacob and Dom come together. They talk with each other and settle down. After it, Jacob moves in the car somewhere. Now the scene of Tej and his companion is shown. They found a spaceship in space, luckily, and they return. Meanwhile, we see Cypher wasn't dead in the blast because that wasn't her plane. Cypher was sitting at a far distance somewhere. She has planned all this. She has sent this drone, and it was like a plane. She was controlling it from a distance. Then this drone crashed, and she was still alive. And with this scene, the movie ends.